Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having start button and other failure icons with your Windows 10 computer. So if you're trying to access the clock or the time for some reason and you're unable to open them up, this tutorial will be for you. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up this task manager. So assuming you're unable to get into the start menu, so you want to right click on the taskbar down the bottom of your screen. So right click on it, left click on Task Manager. Now you want to left click on the File tab up at the top, left click on them one time, and then left click on Run New Task. Now in the Open field you want to type in PowerShell, exactly as it appears on my screen. Check mark inside the box to create this task with administrative privileges, and then left click on OK. Once you've done that, now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you to copy it. And now you want to go up to the top bar here, right click on it, left click on edit, and then left click on paste, then hit enter. Again, it's very important in this task manager window that you run it as an administrator, so make sure you have this box checked to create this task with administrator privileges. Somebody's not going to follow that instruction. I don't know what to say to them other than watch the video again. So this will take some time to run. If you see any red text here, don't be concerned. It just means that it's already an updated version. It's already been installed. So don't be concerned if you see a little bit here. I am going to let this run so you guys can visualize the process. So please be patient, let it run, and I will jump back in with the narration once we get to something a little bit further. Okay guys, once you have a blinking line next to System 32, you're done. So I would suggest closing out of the PowerShell window at that time. I would suggest restarting your computer, see if that has resolved the issue. Now if that has not, I would further suggest trying to run a system restore. If you're unable to get into the start menu and so forth, you're more than welcome to boot the Windows 10 Media Creation utility and launch the troubleshooting options from the installer. I've made tutorials of that nature in the past, so you're welcome to check them out. And I do hope you guys find success with one of those methods as well. So again, feel free to check out my channel for some additional tutorials. And I do hope I've been able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.